Dude, they issued another tornado warning. What the heck? And another SVR, and then an aerial flood warning. What the heck? No, it's a river flood warning.
Tornado warning for hail damage to vehicles in southwestern Iowa, central Odo County.
Dude, what is happening? What is going on?
County in southeastern Nebraska.
God damn, bro.
At 1:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing
Okay, so they issued another tornado warning and another SVR. So it's gonna be another doubleheader. Gosh, dude. What is wrong with you?
Hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar.
Oh my goodness.
Rotation.
Literally.
Debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Syracuse around 1:20 p.m. Avica around 1:30 p.m. Neocca around 1:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Union. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Will be damaged or destroyed. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
What is going on?
Repeating, the tornado warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Cass and Odo, and Fremont, Iowa.
Oh, wait. We could have a rotation over there. I see some light blue. Well, let me get this on.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Potawatomi.
Guys, look, Albany issued an SVR.
Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern
Yoshi fan, you're missing an SVR already.
Washington County, north central Douglas County until 2:15.
You already missed it.
At 1:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kennard to near Flanagan Lake, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Oh my God.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Omaha, Blair, Bennington, Missouri Valley, Logan, Woodbine, Fort Calhoun, Kennard, Persia, Panama, Flanagan Lake, Portsmouth, Washington, Tennant, Wilson Island, Sterling, DeSoto Bend National Wildlife Remedies, Douglas Park Nature Center, and Historical Village Welcome Center. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for southeastern Nebraska between mile markers for your protection move 9. Interstate 80 of Iowa near mile marker 27. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for southwestern Iowa and east central Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for southwestern Iowa and east central Nebraska. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Douglas, and Washington, and the following counties in Iowa, Harrison, Potawatomi, and Shelby. The severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern